Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. There are several different ways. Let's start with the simplest one. All the applications that you want to hide need to be placed on one tab. Then we pinch the screen in any place so that we can remove the applications. Then click on the 5 dots that are located at the bottom. All the tabs will open at once, and now we can choose which ones to show us and which ones not. That's the easy way. There are others. Go to the settings, scroll down and go to the screen time. Select and turn it on if you do not have it. Click on content and privacy restrictions. Turn on and click on allowed apps. In this section you can choose which applications to show on the screen and which not. But here are only the main applications. If you want to hide, for example, YouTube, then go back and select content restrictions. Select apps and now we can specify applications for which age to show on the screen. Go to the App Store and search for YouTube. Select and see that YouTube can be watched from the age of 12. Go back to the settings and select age 9. Now applications that do not match the specified age are not displayed on our screen. To return all applications, click allow and return the applications. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.